Good morning, everybody. It is Thursday, May 28th, and you guys know what time it is. Let's jump into the prices of these cryptocurrencies. Currently, Bitcoin is up 3.38% at $9,166 in the last 24 hours. Ethereum doing really well, up 2% at $206.19. Dash basically flat, only up 0.5%, $73.12. And Litecoin up 2.4% at $43.53. Welcome to the channel, everybody. My name is Artie with CoinCasso, and this entire YouTube channel covers daily Bitcoin news and the top cryptocurrency prices, as well as informational knowledge-based videos at least once a month. So if you're new here and you like what you see, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell to get notified every time we upload a new video. Let's take a closer look at Bitcoin to see exactly what it did in the last 24 hours. So as you can see here, for the last few days, we've been sitting below that $9,000 mark. And then right here, you can see at 12 p.m. local time for me, we saw a massive spike up, and it's been dancing between the $9,100 and $9,200 mark ever since. Now, the best case scenario for a move like this is if it maintains that $9,100, $9,200 mark for a few days to actually seal it in. If it doesn't do that within 24 hours, then we should see a drop back down. Fingers crossed that it'll stay where it's at. Or best case scenario, we see a few more spikes up and it gets into the high 9,000s again. Then if it does drop back down, it won't really go below 9,400. On the exchange that I personally use, we saw a volume of about 27 Bitcoins being bought at that exact moment, which is the equivalent of about $250,000. Now later today, we will be doing another episode covering the top news articles written in the last 24 hours. And as always, if you're looking for a new place to trade cryptocurrencies, go check out the CoinCasso cryptocurrency exchange. And don't forget to follow us on all social medias, Facebook and Instagram, because we post really fun content every single day on there. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you later today.